I bought some cherries a while back and I've been craving a cherry dessert. I love cherries. I'm not sure what kind of cherry dessert I want yet, but I know that I have these cherries in the freezer and I've got to utilize them. I thought about fried cherry pies, I thought about a cobbler, I thought about maybe a fluff. I'm not sure. If you have a great recipe for cherries and you don't mind sharing, just comment below. Now we're gonna go over to the stovetop and we're gonna make some cherry pie filling. Turn your stovetop eye on to medium and we're gonna put a half a cup of water in a medium pan, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Give that a stir. You want to blend that really well. Now we're not going to leave this for very long. We are going to stir occasionally until it thickens. Now we're going to add some dark sweet cherries. These are frozen. This is a 1-pound bag. Go ahead and mix that up. Blend it really well. And we're going to continue to cook this on medium until it starts to thicken. Stirring occasionally. Now this doesn't have to get real thick. You'll just cook it on medium until you start to see it boil and bubble up. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And it's done. Now you can set it aside and let it sit there and cool off. It'll thicken more as it cools. And I just put it in a jar, and you can put this in the refrigerator. It will keep up to about a week. This tastes so much better than the canned pie filling. And it's so easy.